Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how we can upload assignment for the student in our Google Classroom. So for that I have to open my mail account. It should be a Gmail account. After that you will go to Google Apps. 9 dots over here. So you'll go to Google Apps, these 9 dots. Just click on that, and if you are not able to see Google Classroom, just scroll it, and here is my Google Classroom. I'll click on that and it will get open in a new tab. Here you will be having all your classes. If you don't know how to create a class, I'll just tell you one. I'll create a fake class. So for creating a class, you click on this plus sign, which is to create or join a class. So as a teacher, you will create a class, right? And then you will give it a name. So like I want to give CS for class 7, something like this, right? And if you want to mention the section, you can mention that. Mention your subject. And if you want to mention the room, you can, otherwise you can leave it and just click on create, and this is how you create your classroom. Okay, so for different section you can have a different class, so that all this work of that particular section gets stored in that class only. Better to create one class per section, right? After this, once you create your class, you will get this screen where you have stream, classwork, people and grades. Stream means just like you see on the Facebook, the whatever is posted latest is on the top, whatever is posted after that, it's down below, right? Similarly, whatever is posted by you or by your student will be here on this page. Now people means who are here right now, because only you have created the class, so you are here as a teacher. If you want any other teacher, by entering the email ID over here, right? Like I can add myself, so I will invite her and she will accept the request. Now for the student, how the student will join you, either you just add them over here by entering their email address, but that will be difficult I guess for you. So the easy way is just go on the settings, and here is the details of your class. You can either share the code with them or you can share the link. It's better to share the link with them. Here is the link. You just copy the link, compose a mail and send it to them that you are invited in my class. So you'll open your mail, you'll compose a mail, and here we'll write subject, and here you will write the message, please join the class by clicking on the following link. And then when they will click on this link, they will be able to join the class. I will tell you how they will do it. So this is the student system, and I have asked the student to join the class. So this is how this mail will go to a student, and here he will click on join and he will be there in my class. And he can see the classroom over here. So same way, stream, classwork and people will be here on the student desk. Stream again the same. Classwork will be, he will be able to see the classwork which is given by the teacher. Whatever the work is given by the teachers, he or she will be able to see that. Right now there is one assignment. And people, he can see or she can see the classmate and the teachers of this class. Now let's get back to teacher's desk. Get back to how we can assign the work. For assigning the work, I have already assigned the work. Now I'll tell you how to assign. Just click on create, and here you can create an assignment. You can also create a quiz. You can create some questions. You can create the study material. Reuse post means which is already there in your system, you can reuse that. So we have different options. I'm just telling you how to create a simple assignment. So I just click on assignment. I'll give it a title, like I will mention the class also, like for which class it is. So it is easier for me to identify it, and for the student as well, like this. And then instructions, whatever the instruction that you want to give. Now if you want to add some pictures like worksheet, so you will click some photographs. Now to add them, just click on add. And here, if you have uploaded those pictures on the Google Drive, you can directly take them from here. or if you want to attach the file from your computer, suppose the pictures are there in your computer or in your phone. Suppose you are uploading it through your phone. So in case you're using the phone, the very first thing you should install the Google Classroom app, and here you will be able to upload the files, you will be able to attach the pictures. So if I click on this, it will on browse and I'll attach a picture of it from here. Suppose I just attach this document in which I have given the instructions, so it will be uploaded, and the student over here it is given student can view the file. If you want them to view the file, just click use this option and it is better to let them view. And if you want them to do the corrections, suppose you have sent the worksheet and you want a Word file in which they can write the answers just below the question that you have mentioned, then you can give them an option make a copy for each student. So each will be having their own copy and they will write the answer in their own Word file. Do not take this, student can edit, otherwise it will be overwritten for each student. Right, so right now I just want them to view. I'll click on this. You can create a document, you can create a slide, a drawing sheet of any form. So you can attach these also. Let me attach a form. You can see that the form tab will be opened here. You can give it a name, you can write the question, whatever you want to add in your form, just add that. And once it is done, give it a name over here, something like this, and that's it. Just and it is saved. Close now, refresh it, you will be able to see the name of this form. Here's the worksheet that you created. Right now you can see that it is a draft because you have not sent it to the class yet. Right, so for sending it, what you will do, you can go to edit and here is the assign. So if you'll assign, it will go to the student directly. I can schedule it, I can save it for future. So if I click on schedule, I can mention the day on which I want to send it. Like if I have prepared it on Sunday, I can't send it, I can send it on Monday. And I can also have the time, I can mention the time. And one more thing, over here, if you want to send it to all the student, you will have the option which is selected all student. And if you want to send it to a particular student, you can select to whom you want to send, right? The second thing is that if you want them to complete it by a date, then you can mention the date and time over here. See, so I just want them to complete it by 20, and if you want to mention the time, you can mention that as well. After that, just click on assign and it will be sent in your class. So let me show you how does it look in your class in the student's desk. So when the student log into the class, he will see your work over here in the stream itself. Poonam Rathod posted a new assignment, this one, and he can also see in the classwork. So if you want to complete this, he will click on the view assignment. He can also upload the things, right? So he will click on create, and the same way he will attach the files. For this, I have created a separate video. I will give the link of that description box. If you want to watch that, do watch it. And that's it. I hope this video will help you to post the assignment in your class. Alright, so thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, do share, like, subscribe and comment. In case you have any problem, do write in the comment section. I will definitely give you the solution.